Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inkscape tutorials how to justify text. Kali ini I will draw text with this text tool and we set the name like into Mupasuket. Now if you want to justify this text, you can use again this text tool. After it, you can go to top part and you can see here we have this left justifies, or you can set into center of or into the right. Then I will set into the center, and if you done, you can click outside. But if you want to justify this text with this canvas area, first we need to create for the rectangle object with this rectangle tools, and don't forget to uncheck for the fill. I will create like from this corner into here, bottom corner. Okay, after it you can select text object and then select again this rectangle object. Now you can use these tools, aligns and distribute, so you can change this text into center point, or you can set into top point, bottom, left and right, like this. Okay, very easy to create these text objects with these align tools. Okay, that's it for basic Inkscape tutorials how to justify text. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.